to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Farah. Today we'll be cooking salmon pasta. The ingredients for this recipe are smoked salmon, which I usually just buy from Asda, some pasta, any pasta of your choice, some dolmy or carbonara pasta bake sauce. I usually just add a little bit of red Leicester cheese at the end just for taste, 1 onion, some salt, pinch of cayenne pepper, some mixed herbs, I just used an Asda range, and some basil, and also some sweet corn. So the first thing we'll do is boil the pasta. So in order to do that, I've brought the water to the boil. You just add a tiny little bit of salt, give that a mix. Then you just add your pasta. And just allow your pasta to boil. So to make this recipe we will need some olive oil, which I forgot to mention when I first gave the ingredients. Tiny bit of olive oil there. And you go in with your onions. 1 finely diced onion. So we're just going to allow this to cook until the onions soften for around 2 minutes. So now I'm about to add my herbs. So in here I have just less than half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, half a teaspoon of basil, and half a teaspoon of cayenne powder. So there you go, add it all in and just mix that in. Once you've mixed that around, we're ready to add the salmon. So I've diced my salmon into small pieces, and you just add that all in. Smoked salmon. Salmon doesn't really take that long to cook. It takes around 2 to 3 minutes. So you just give that a good stir and allow that to cook on a medium heat. Now as you can see the salmon is going pink, slightly pink, which means that it is cooking, and it's only been 30 seconds, so you can see how fast this salmon will cook. So when salmon is cooking, I'll show you an example of what's cooked and what's not cooked. That's pink, that's cooked. And that is not pink, so that's not cooked. So there's the difference. So I'm now ready to add my carbonara pasta bake. I usually just add half of this to begin with, and once I've added my pasta, if I feel I need more, then I'll just carry on adding. So there's the mixture. Just allow that to cook for maybe a minute. I think I should give it. So now I'm ready to add my pasta and my sweet corn, the pasta I've cooked and drained. And my tin of sweet corn also in there. So I'll just give it a mix around. Now I begin to feel like I need more sauce, so I just add some more as I'm going along. So now we just move the contents over to the bake tray, the baking tray. Smells amazing. Actually looks really nice as well. So now we will add the grated cheese because I will bake this for around 20 minutes in the oven. There you go. Now we just put this in the oven and allow it to bake for approximately 15-20 minutes. So there we have it. There is my salmon pasta. So here we have it, there's the salmon pasta bake. It's a really easy and delicious recipe. Try it at home and let me know how you get on in the comment section below. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.